Welcome back to our channel, Nature's Wonderful Torah. We are embarking on an exciting adventure through the hidden gems of Hidden Valley. Get ready to be mesmerized by the enchanting waterfalls that await us. Hidden Valley is renowned for its unpoiled beauty, and we can't wait to uncover its secrets. Join us as we explore the majestic waterfalls tucked away amidst the dense foliage and pristine wilderness. Now we are trekking through the jungle, capturing shots of exotic plants, wildlife and beautiful landscape. Our journey begins with a thrilling hike through the dense rainforest surrounded by towering the trees and symphony of nature's sounds. The air is filled with anticipation as we follow the trail, eager to witness the splendor that awaits us. Arriving to the first waterfall, and here we are, our first stop, the breathtaking Crystal Cascade. Just listen to the roar of the water as it cascades down the rocks, creating a mesmerizing sight. The water glistens in the sunlight, giving it an ethereal appearance. Admiring the waterfall, capturing its beauty from different angles, nature has truly painted a masterpiece here. It's amazing how these falls have carved their way through the rugged landscape over thousands of years. We can't resist taking a refreshing dip in the pristine pool at the base. It's like stepping into a natural paradise. Hiking to the next waterfall. After a rejuvenating swim, we are ready to continue our adventure deeper into Hidden Valley. The trail takes through hidden pathways and moss-covered rocks, revealing nature's hidden treasures at every turn. Approaching the second waterfall, behold, the magnificent Rainbow's Veil Falls. Just look at the vibrant colors refracting off the cascading watery sight that seems almost too magical to be real. It's no wonder this waterfall is known for its natural beauty and ethereal aura, capturing the unique features of the Rainbow Veil Falls. We can't resist the allure of the mist created by the falls. It feels like walking through a fairy tale. It's moments like these that remind us of the incredible power and artistry of Mother Nature. Continuing to our journey through the valley, as we venture deeper into Hidden Valley, the anticipation keeps building. With each step, we are greeted by an even more breathtaking sight. The symphony of water and bird song echoes through the forest, creating a truly immersive experience. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the grand final of our adventure, the towering majestic cascades. This awe-inspiring waterfall stands tall, showcasing nature's raw power and beauty. It's a humbling sight to behold. Capturing the grandeur of the majestic cascades, Hidden Valley has truly exceeded our expectations. The waterfalls here are more than just natural wonders. They are a reminder of the beauty and resilience of our planet. We feel incredibly lucky to have experienced this hidden paradise and to be able to share it with all of you. Now, embracing the breathtaking beauty of the waterfalls, that we conclude our adventure through Hidden Valley's enchanting waterfalls. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Until next time, keep gathering and cherishing the wonders of our world.